I have a Hunter fan 21871 with a bad receiver. The original receiver is no longer made, but the Hunter company has sold me a replacement which they swear will work with my fan. But now that I am trying to install it, I notice I have an extra white wire. There is the live in, black, the neutral in, white, and then also a red, yellow, pink, gray, and back.white tracer in both my fan and the new receiver, but the receiver also has another white wire that is not labeled.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just started installing it.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
As I said in my first post, the receiver has an extra white wire that the fan does not have. What should I do with it? The new receiver has a dimming capability which my fan does not have.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your electrical issue. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Let me review your question. Can you send a pic of the old receiver and the new one?
Give me a minute. This is the manual that came with the fan which shows the wiring diagram for the old receiver. This is the old receiver. This is the new receiver. This is the wiring from the fan.
Okay, thanks. Give me a minute. The whites get spliced together. One white with a loop is marked as an antenna, right?
The looped one is antenna. So I have two white, they both go together. Do they go together with both reds, the white and red are together in original fan/receiver, or do the reds go together on their own? Two white on the receiver, one white on the fan/ceiling.
I can't tell from the diagram. Does the red connect to the whites?
On the original, the fan has a red, but the receiver does not, and the red was connected in with the whites.
I would connect it the same then.
Now the receiver has a red as well, but it has two whites. One white is labeled neutral in. Okay. All the whites and reds together, then.
Yes, hope I was of help today. Thanks. George. They didn't send you a new diagram?
Of course. I'm going to give what you said to do a try and then I will rate. Thank you. If I have any more questions after I try it, can I still ask? About this same things, of course.
Yes. Make sure the dip switches match from the remote.
I set the dip switches to the same. But it's not working. I think I'm going to have someone come in and do it for me.
They sent no diagram?
No. I think I'll have to return it and just get a new fan. Thanks for trying. I tried all the white and reds together, then I put the reds by themselves, and neither way works. But thank you anyways. I'll give you a score to get credit for your time.
Sorry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.